How to change your gender on Reddit app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender on Reddit app in easy way and fast way. So the first thing we do is we go to Reddit. You will find this homepage here. We don't need this one, so we click on the top corner on your avatar like this. Now you go down to settings, click on settings, and after that click on the top option account settings. We wait a few seconds. Now you click on gender. After that you will have the options. You choose the one you want, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more short videos like this one. Thank you so much.